Today we are going to talk about Excel macro. The purpose of using Excel macro is to complete some repetitive work with Excel spreadsheet. So here is a simple example. We have the three separate page of Excel data that we want to do some manipulation, and we just want to do it once. So the Excel macro would have to record the steps of how you perform the manipulation or arrange the data, and then they will repeat for the other two sets of data. So first step is to record the Excel macro. Over here we will record Excel macro. This is the name of the macro, and you can add a shortcut key if you like. For the descriptions, you can add in the descriptions of the macro, because you can add a few macro to your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, once you have that click on the lower left corner here, you can see a stop button. That's when you want to when you complete the steps, you can stop the recording. So for our first example, let's say we want to have first 5 data, we want it to be transposed, and we transpose, and then the second column we wanted to put it here. We just put it here, and then for the third one we would like to put it over here, and we can put it over here. And of course we will do some formulas. So we add in some formulas here, whatever steps that you like. You can add in graphs or any other programs, any other formulas. Okay, so let's assume for this example we have completed all the necessary steps for the simple example for these illustrations. Okay, now let's stop this. Okay, now we go to the second page. So for the second page, what we need to do, we can just go and run the macro. So here you go, we run the second page. Now we want to show you another way of running it. Remember the first page we have this completed. So if we copy this, put it into the page number 4, and we copy this page number 3, put it into page 1. Remember page 1's data start with on the B3, cell B3 here. So make sure all the data start at B3. Okay, so we start at B3, we put on the page number 1. Voila. Now again on the page 1 we can run the macro. We run the macro, and there you go. So it's a simple illustration of how we record a macro to assist us, to help us to complete some repetitive work. That's all. Thank you very much.